Hello, Zona and James here. Um, had a mishap with one of my grinders. I was cutting out the chimney hole for the rocket stove heater in the back, and for some reason I thought it was the blade was smoking, kicking up dust, but all this time there was smoke coming out, and I didn't know. So I just kept using it until when I finally looked at it, there was smoke coming out of the back right here, pluming up. So I hurry up and shut it down and decided to take a look at it. I'm just now getting to taking a look at the inside where the brushes are. When I turn it on, you can see the inside of right here turning on like electric. The armatures or something on there. Sorry I haven't done a video in a while, I've been busy, so that little build I'm still working on. Plus that, I also had my tire grill stolen out of my backyard. I mean, who would want to steal a tire grill? You could have just asked and I would have sold it, instead of just hijacking it. Hopefully it's just the metal particles in here that's shortening out. Yeah, this is one of the very first ones I got. Local Ace. I had no problems with it until just now. Yeah, burning in here is a bunch of... Well, the brushes still look good. Or maybe it's just the metal that's just in there. Let me check something first. Yeah, when I turn it on, it really sparks in there. I don't know. Looks like the armature's on there. Something's not right in there. It's pretty scored. It looks burnt. Oh yeah. Something caught in there, and then as you can see, I don't know if you can see it in there. Burnt right there. You get better light. Right in there, yeah. Right there. Right here. You can see it. Yeah, it burnt the cover off. Yeah. I don't know if those are replaceable, but I'll see what I can do with it. It's like that waxy film or something. It was a pretty good grinder from when I had it. Now I don't know what to do with it now. It's just dirty or something. Yeah, it's like something burnt on there. I don't know, it's because of the, when I was grinding, something had fallen there, like a piece of metal that, yeah, it burned right through that plastic cover, and it's, yeah, that's what it's burned out. I don't know if it's fixable. Send me a comment on it. See if it can be repaired. Because it tore off that cover on it that's on there. The plastic. Put it back together. Because you can see the, when you turn it on, the light on there, you can see the glow on it. Now I just lost a screw for it. There it goes. Yeah, I was just sad about my grill. Somebody had to walk off with it. They dropped it underfoot. Just give it a test drive. Smell that metal burning. Delicious. Oh well, I have to get a new grinder again. Always get a new one from Harbor Freight. With a payment plan or a replacement plan. Well, so much for this one. I just use it for parts, scavenge it off. I don't know if this is the one that was off the display. I bought one from the local Ace and it was the last one and I needed a grinder. I just took the one that was on this display, so it could be this one here. All the other ones are still in good running order. But yeah, I could just use the scavenge parts with. So. Alright, that's what I wanted to find out. How bad it was broken. So, alright, thanks. See you in the next one. Bye.